Good morning, guys. Well, I had a feeling yesterday that I might make this video, and I am wrong. I really thought yesterday we could bounce from these levels to the upside. Sorry, I'm currently running. Really thought we could bounce from these levels to the upside. As of right now, we have broken the lowest wick trend. The DXY is completely mooning to the upside. As of right now, SPY does look like it's headed to 372. DXY DXY looks like it's going back to 108. I mean, the only thing that can save the market right now is CPI coming in next week at something stupid low. Like I think last CPI was like 7.7 or something. I don't know, 7.2. CPI has to come in at like 6.5 to save the market, man. I can't. After a certain point, I can't be like bullish anymore. And not really common sense, but my indicators haven't. I mean, you guys already know this. My indicators have been bearish, and I just had a gut feeling that we would like rally off something, right? Because I saw retail be extremely bearish, and that usually never pans out for the market. But man, all this downward pressure is crazy, and the DXY pushing up so hard in the last day or two that kind of killed all my bullish sentiment on the market. Um, yeah, so as of right now, things look extremely, extremely ugly. Um, Even on the daily, we're gonna be closing a daily bear, and if anything, um, you know, this is like early signs that we're gonna drop down hard. This is almost confirmation that we're gonna drop down to 372, or today continue this massive drop, probably back to like 375. I would not be surprised to see a 375 today. Um, the only thing that can save it now is a double bottom at 375, but I do think we're going down today to this 376, 375 level. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.